Hey guys, Chopper's Real One here. A couple of old Toyotas for you. 1983 Toyota Corona sedan, little automatic, 2 litre, air conditioned, patina all over it, but underneath is smack. My young fella and has been working on it. I don't know if you can see through there. Look, the interior is absolutely mint. Sorry about the tinted windows, guys. Then we have a 1986 Toyota Hilux, which is a patina paint job again. Has a bull bar, sunroof your wheels. Again, looks like a bit of a feral thing, but underneath it is mint. It's all been rebuilt, which is really cool. He's done an excellent job on this. The interior is absolutely sweet. It's a manual. He's got air conditioning in it. He's fitted that. Fitted power steering to it. Everything is absolutely awesome on it. So there you go, guys, just a quick video. My ride is right there, 2017 D-Max, but that's another story. But there we go, guys, 2 really cool old Toyotas, and that one's going to be up for sale soon. So if anybody's interested, they can contact me and I'll let you know for price. Well, that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, be kind to your mates, and an 8 week to speak. Bye for now.